Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw the cute Spiderman. Let's get started. First, we choose dark color and Procreate pencil and sketching to draw a quick draft. Now we draw a circle as the head of our Spiderman. Then we draw two lines under head as the body. Next, we continue to draw his leg and arms. Our Spiderman is hanging there by his webs, so his whole body has an angle. Let's draw some details for his hands now. Then we will draw some lines as Spiderman's suit. Next, let's start to draw his face. We can draw two crossing lines first, so it's easier to draw things in the right position. Then let's draw a spider at the center of his body. Now let's draw his eyes. Next, we draw the white pattern on his mask. Let's use freehand tool to make the arms and the hands smaller. Now let's create a new layer down below the draft layer, and tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. This is pretty easy since we already have our draft. So I will speed the video up a little bit now. Let's create another new layer, and choose the red color to draw the vibe on his face directly. Then add the white pattern on his suit as well. Okay, we have all the outlines now. Let's hide our draft layer and duplicate our outline layer. Move this layer to the bottom. Then we can start to add colors to our drawings. First, we use red color to fill the head and the other red parts. Then use blue color to fill the rest. Now let's give the background a light blue color and fill the eyes with the white color. Next, let's draw some shadows. We create a new layer on top of the layer needed shadow and change it to clipping mask. Also, we need to change the blend mode to multiply. Then we can draw the shadows on the layer. Then we are done for the cute Spider-Man drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time.